Hey folks, this is HingeKing coming at you with a video about the differences between the grass slide-on and clip-on hinges. If you're watching this video, chances are you have something that looks like this in your kitchen that has failed. I'm here to help you locate the correct product, whether it's a base plate or a slide-on hinge or a clip-on hinge. There's a lot of different discrepancies and commonalities with item numbers that are stamped or cast into these hinges, which is just a result of poor planning and the manufacturing process over the decades. So let's start with the slide-on hinge series. You can see, let's start with the most common, which is a 1006-30, which is a slide-on hinge. You can see by the cup has a marking 2625081, followed by the number 1006-30. This is a slide-on hinge. This is a clip-on hinge, 1006-30, same item number. The difference between the two is one's smaller than the other, and the most important part, of course, is the clipping mechanism that mounts your cabinet hinge to the interior of your cabinet. The clip-on mechanism, oftentimes, if you don't understand how this works, you end up unscrewing it to the point where you can see through it, and you have a bracket here. Same with the 1006-30. If you unscrew too far, you end up with the clipping mechanism, which is here. Slide-on series hinges have an I-beam or a rail that slides into the base plate. Clip-on series clips on by first inserting the front part of the base plate and clipping down on the little teeth to the back. And then to release that, you lift this tab right here. This is a 1000-27. This is a 054 or 054 reproduction that was made in Mexico or the USA at a later date. There's a lot of different discrepancies in item numbers, so it really requires a visual inspection of your hinge to make sure you purchase the correct product. For example, this is a 1203 170 degree that has the numbers 1988070, slide on, or a grass 3903 with the numbers 2525110, slide on and clip on. I've noticed through buying and selling these items over the years that you can get a slide on that says 2625110, or you can get a clip on that says 1203. So there's also an earlier variation of the 1203 called the 1203-01, which has no cutout at the back, which is either a square or a rectangle. Again, it just takes a little care and understanding the differences. And, you know, if you are unsure, please feel free to reach out to HingeKing at our website or message us through eBay. We take pride in answering questions super quick and getting our customers to the right products as efficiently as possible. Another thing is this is another 1006-30 slide-on with a hump on the back or an overlay versus a straight-on version, which is straight on the back. Make sure you get the right one. Some people buy one or the other, not knowing the difference. We're here to help guide the purchases, make sure that our customers find the right product for their needs. Another common problem is people will read the number 1806 on the back of their hinge. They'll Google it, they'll find something that looks like this, not realizing that they've purchased a 1806 clip-on when they actually need the slide-on, or vice versa. Let's talk a little bit about base plates. There's a lot of different base plates that Grass made over the years in both slide-on and clip-on that look similar. Notice the slide-ons have the I-beams, clip-ons have the clip mechanism. They come in different heights. This is an 044. This is an 046. They look super similar. They've also come in different heights. The 335. Some numbers vary based on manufacturing dates and manufacturing countries, but are interchangeable. Again, just message HingeKing for guidance on your purchase. We're happy to help. Another common version of base plates which fit slide-on and clip-on are winged brackets. As far as I know, Grass made a single winged bracket that looks like this. Is a 1006-27. I actually have seen a couple that are taller, that have a taller height, but this one is stamped 1000-27, which is similar to the Grass 054 base plate, which come in different thicknesses. This is a 056, which is taller. So many variants, so many discrepancies in the product line over the years. I just want to make sure that you guys find the correct product. Another common mistake when looking for replacement hinges is the face-framed lipped adapter. This item has no stamping or item number, so it's hard to understand what it is you're looking for if you don't know the difference between a slide-on or a clip-on series Grass hinge. Commonly, these guys break along these two screws because when they were installed 20, 30 plus years ago, they only used two screws. Over the time, the zinc die casting will wear this away, and these will break at these points. We recommend, if you're replacing one, chances are the rest are going to break, and you need to put screws into all 4 holes. Okay, this is another 048 Grass base plate, manufactured in Austria, also remanufactured in Mexico and the United States at later dates because of the fact that these are so prone to failure, because they were installed without using all 4 screws. HingeKing does create a reproduction of the 048 Grass base plate using cold rolled steel, super thick, that's been designed and tested for years to clip right in, which also contains all the screws you need and self-tapping screws for the back. So when you reinstall these, if you don't have holes already guided for these rear screws, you can line this up. The self-tapping screw will go in super easy, and this will last you for years to come. We are super proud of this product, and it's been selling very well. If you have any other questions, feel free to message HingeKing and send us some pictures of what you have and what you're looking for, and we can guide you towards the correct product to meet your needs. Thanks.